Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over 3 different ways on how to install critical updates to your MacBook computer. If you're new to this channel, think about hitting that subscribe button. It supports the channel, you'll be a part of the team, and make sure you hit that notification bell for all my uploads so you can stay in the loop. Also hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. I definitely appreciate it. So if you are new to the channel, let me explain what this channel is all about. I do a lot of technology guides, how-tos, tutorials, just things to help you throughout your everyday life. Some things you may not know, and that's what I'm here for. Is I want to make videos to help you guys. Maybe if it's to learn something new, if it's to refresh your memory of something. It's what I'm here for. Is just to help you guys out. So if you can think of a topic or think of something that you want to learn about, let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely make a video about anything you want me to show you. So with that being said, today's video is about running updates on your MacBook computer, critical updates. Updates are always important. You know, maybe if it's something to do with security, maybe it's something to do as patching something. Updates are just very important to your computer, to pretty much anything. So let's just jump right into it. I'll be showing you 3 different methods on how to update your MacBook. So what you want to do, log into your MacBook, make sure you're on your desktop, and we're going to go over method 1 right now. So click on the settings gear right here on your dock, system preferences it's called. And the system preferences window pops up. You're going to look for software update right here. It should be next to the network icon. Click on that for me. Alright, so the software update window has popped up, and you may see update now right here. I just got a new update this morning, so I'm good to go. So I don't know if you can see, this is my doggy Cosmo. Say hi. So if you hit update now, the update will install. It may take a little bit of time, it may take a long time. It all depends how big the update is, and it all depends, how many updates there are after that. So just hit update now. The loading bar will appear, and your laptop or computer may restart a couple times. Totally normal. Let that run its course, and you'll be good to go. So that was method 1. Let me show you method 2. So in case you don't want to click on system preferences, you can always click the magnifying glass right here, top right hand corner, and type in. You could just type in up and click on software update. Second one down. Double click it, I'm sorry. And the same window will pop up. So that was method number 2. Same thing, if it says update now, click on update now, let it do its thing. So the last method is, if you don't want to go through this system preferences, if you don't want to go through the magnifying glass, you could always click the apple at the top left hand corner of your screen and click on About This Mac. And then from here, it's going to say all the the information about your Mac, the processor, the memory, graphics, the serial number, all that good stuff. So what you want to click on is software update, and the software window update pops up as it did before. So just click on software update now, rather. You can always check this. It's automatically keep my Mac up to date, which it'll run the update sometimes without you even knowing. So if you want to do that, just keep that checked. And that's pretty much it, guys. That was 3 ways on how to update your MacBook. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let me know in the comments below if you guys have any ideas on what you want me to show you or teach you. I'll be more than happy to make a video about it. Let me know if you're interested in anything, and I will do my best. So I will see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.